Welcome to the Good Times I Share. Today we're going to be sharing with you a very simple, easy and tasty pasta Alfredo recipe. We hope you enjoy this as much as we do. For a portion for two, you need 250 grams of fresh pasta, salt, 80 grams of grated cheese, 75 grams of butter, and black pepper. The first step to this recipe is you're going to get a nice big pot of hot water, add salt to taste, and you're going to put in your pasta to boil according to the time indicated on the package. Whilst your pasta is boiling, you're then going to get your cheese and grate it if it's not yet grated. Once that is done, you're going to get a nice big pan and put in your butter and melt it on low heat. When your butter is all melted, you're then going to add a scoop of hot water from the pasta pot, and you're going to cook this together for 2 minutes, making sure to leave the heat on medium to low. Once that is done, you're going to scoop out the pasta from the pot when it's almost cooked, and you're going to put it into the butter sauce, and then you're going to add another scoop of hot water from the same pot. Mixing this really well for about 2 minutes, and once that is done, you're then going to add your cheese. So put in all your cheese, maintaining the heat on low to medium. You're going to mix this well together, making sure all that cheese is well melted and evenly spread. And then you're going to add the final touch, which is the black pepper. Add black pepper according to your preference. If you like more, add more. If you like less, add a little less. And you're going to just mix that up really well for a few minutes on low heat. And once that is done, your pasta is ready. Buon appetito a tutti. Until next time, it's bye-bye.